Oh, sorry, I started recording before I was ready. Okay, so it's bedtime, and Scamp doesn't want to step up, and I'm sure he won't. I was going to say, I thought he would step up if I put the camera on him. Do you want to step up? So he's not willing to step up. So the best thing to have is a hand perch. Always have a hand perch. You can make one, buy one. Look how excited he is to get on it. Easy. Easy. Hang on. I'm just trying to get Sita into her cage. 2. Good girl. Oh my goodness. They must be tired and ready for bed because the girls are almost impossible to get them in their cage. Ryder? Stop eating free food and come with us, please. Okay, so we've got Scoopy here. And yeah. Best way to also get them in their cage. Up you get, please. Up you get. Good boy. You're such a good boy. Let me quickly shut this. Watch your toe. Your toe, please. Watch your toe. Thank you. I just got to get your brother. See if he'll come. He always steps up. He's eating something. Is my lens dirty? It is. Let me just wipe my lens. Oh, it's terrible. Yeah, terrible movie making. Okay, come here. Can you step up? So unprepared. Oh, you don't want to? You want to step up, please? Step up. Step up. Come on. Oh. You want to step up? Oh, good boy. Right as the best for step-ups. He always wants to come to people, so it's kind of easy. Let's just get you in here. You stay in there, matey. Up top. Up top. Up top. Good boy. Okay. So, everyone's in their cages, and I'm going to wheel them into the bedroom. Okay, so the reason I put them in a different room rather than just covering up out there and leaving them out there is because I want them to get a good night's sleep, no distractions, no interruptions. I don't want them to hear voices or things clanging around, food, also shadows going past their cage and, you know, the breeze of people walking past, you know, waving the covers around and everything. So the quieter, the darker, the more peaceful it can be for your birds, the better. Also, Cedar's been plucking a lot at night, so everything I can do to make her night's sleep a bit more comfortable, the better. And hopefully she won't hear me and want to play with me, or God knows what other reasons she may be plucking for. So, yeah, so that's where their cages usually are. And my lens is funny again, sorry. Okay, so yeah, I'll clean up their play stands a little bit. That's the floors, when it's not 100%, but usually that's covered in all sorts of mess. And yeah, that's the nighttime routine. In the morning, they all come back out, trees get arranged perfectly in all their stands, and yeah, we'll see you. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above, so high. hand in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. So I've just added some fresh palm tree leaves. As you can see, Ryder is loving it. Who loves the palm trees? Oh, it's so good. So good. So we've put some fresh palm tree leaves throughout everyone's cages and play stands. And they'll be happy to chew on that and play with that. Most palm trees are bird safe. I think there might be one that's not, but I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, I'm pretty sure most of them are fine. So there's one hanging out of this tree. Hi. Hi, Chico. What's wrong? I mean, what are you doing? She doesn't say what's your name. Okay. Yeah, put a few through here. Hi, Scamp. Hi, Scampy. Hi, Bubba. Hello. You're so cute. Yeah, say hello. Oh, someone's a little bit scared of the palm leaves. Yeah. You feel more comfortable with the refrigerator, the TV, the couch, anything but the natural things. Hey, do you want to come with me, sweetie? Yeah, good girl. And we'll go take a look together, okay? We'll go take a look together. He is absolutely loving it. So here's my pile of extras. Oh my goodness. Okay, he's found something else, but that's okay. Do you want to come here, sweetie? Do you want to step up for me? Do you want to step up? Oh. Yeah, you pretend to scratch your face to get out of stepping up. Come on. Step up. Step up. Oh, it's very awkward. Come here. Step up, sweetie. Good girl. You're such a good girl. Yeah. Good girl. And that's her favourite little branch. She feels comfortable there. That's usually the easiest place to put her. Yeah. And you can come have a look at some of these leaves if you like. Oh, there's usually a food bowl there. I'm sorry. I'll get you breakfast in a minute. Hi. You want to say hello too? Oh, hi.